Hi there, this is Dr. Ole with Central Iowa Neuropathy, and today I'm joined by Mary Jo. Mary Jo came into our office about 6 weeks ago.
Yep.
So how'd you hear about us?
Well, I saw an ad on TV, and then that led me to do some research, and then a coupon popped up on my Facebook page, so I gave you a call.
Awesome. So you came in, you've been dealing with neuropathy, correct?
Yes, for about 4 years.
4 years. And what was life like?
It was awful. It was constant pain. I couldn't be on my feet for very long. Just very, very annoying.
Okay. Did it affect sleep? I can't remember.
Yes,
Sleep,
it affected my sleep, everything. I couldn't wear shoes. I couldn't go barefoot. I couldn't wear socks.
Jeez. So 4 years of dealing with this. You decided to come in and give us a try, which, like most people, you're probably pretty skeptical, right?
I was a little bit.
So we took you through our examination. We checked you out, found there's some sensory loss there.
Yes.
And we started care. And what happened since then? That was about 6 weeks ago.
Well, on the very first day that I was here, you did the rebuilder treatment here in the office. And I have not experienced any pain in my feet since that first session.
Oh, my goodness.
So it was wonderful.
Results not normal, okay? So don't expect this after one treatment. That was crazy, but
I was like, oh wow, nice.
It's like we turned the nerves on and everything started to function.
Yeah,
awesome.
Yes, because I could start to wear socks, I could start to wear closed-toed shoes, I could walk barefoot. It was wonderful.
So what would you say to someone skeptical, just like you were, deciding whether they should come check us out?
Oh, I strongly recommend it. I handed out your cards to several people.
We appreciate it. Well,
So
hopefully this helps someone out there maybe has experienced similar symptoms. And just like Mary Jo said, it doesn't hurt to try. Come check us out, see if we can help.
right, because the coupon is really worth it.
Yeah,
So
$49.
just come
to check
in
it out.
and see what the program's like, and to be able to talk to you and
Absolutely.
get started.
Give us a call today.
Best thing I ever did.
Thanks.